This is a re-edit, re-release. Part lang ito ng isang mahabang vlog ko dati, circa 2019. And we're here sa hotel na, okay? Time to check in. Let's do it. Okay, so I got my keys. Kit na ako sa room ko. Ang sabi sa susi ko, 8:23. Pero ang elevator hanggang 5th floor lang. So, saan ako? Adventure time! Hahanapin ng room. Oh, holy shit, this is not it. Wait. Fucking shit. Wala namang rooms dito eh. Okay, let's do that again. Let's try the other elevators. Because seriously, I think I'm lost. Dun, 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 dun. Wala lang mumo na magpapakita dito. Dali na, bukas na, dali na. Ano ba ni? Okay. Oh, dito. Dito ba yung packet ng hanggang 8?
Opo, sir.
Okay. 21. 22. 8:23. And welcome to our room. Tingnan natin kung anong meron tayo. Refrigerator na maliit. Telebisyon. Telepono. Siyempre, kama. Tuwalay. Lababumbum pouchy. Kubeta. Itong buo.
And just like that, umaga na.
Yan, dito na tayo sa breakfast area. Paano ba to? Basta kuha na lang. Sige, mamaya na lang pag nasa table na ako. Okay, so ito ang nakuha ko for the first batch. Tomatoes, potatoes, sausage, danggit, and their highly recommended Ube Champorado. Nasusubukan natin ngayon. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's hell of a good champorado. Time to eat. Mamaya na muna. Okay, ito na yung second batch ko. Another trick you have to learn dito sa Summit Bridge Galleria. What's this? Providor. Ayan. Dito sa resto nila is hindi nila dinidisplay sa buffet yung bacon. So you have to ask for it so that you can have bacon for breakfast. That's one of the tips. Now let's proceed to eating. And there it is, the bacon. Konti lang pero okay lang.